Hi, thanks for joining me today. If you want to buy this product or take advantage of any of the freebies or discounts that I found for you, click one of the links in the description. Thanks for your support. Now let's get started. It's time to light up our garage. We got some new LED lights that are actually movable, so you can use them almost like a spotlight, so each one of these moves. And the great thing is you can actually use it like a regular light bulb. It screws right into any light bulb socket. So we're gonna go ahead and check these out. If you look here, it's got a cast aluminum heat sink head so that it makes sure it keeps it nice and cool. Don't want to get any fires or anything like that. It also has the stainless steel braided cable that connects from the housing to the light fixture itself. And like I said, it just screws right in to a regular light bulb socket. So we're pretty excited about checking these out. 6,000 lumens. It says 50,000 hour lifetime. So definitely going to brighten up our garage. And let's see how it looks. 6,000 lumens. All right. It's got a thank you card inside. Basic instructions, screw it into the light bulb socket. All right. Easily maneuvers to whichever way you want. It's got the heavy duty cable in the back. This is where it screws into the light fixture. Probably weighs maybe about 1.5 pounds. We've got before light and after light. And I don't know if you can tell, but if you look at the floor, it is like super bright in here now. Wow, it's so bright that it even gives a reflection of the light here on the lens, which is crazy. I was able to direct them a little bit, so I had a beam coming this way and a beam going over there towards the wall, so it really brightens it up. I love how you can actually point where you want it to, and it has 3 different ways to point it around, so that's pretty cool. So we're going to take this one here, we're going to throw that one up there, and we're going to have a super bright garage. Off, on.